Today I'm going to try to take the body off of the truck all by myself. I have a plan and I don't expect it to work. So let's get onto this failure and see what happens. I'm going to take the seat out and everything out of the interior in order to try to make it as light as possible. I was going to take the glass out and the doors off, but I don't think I'm gonna because I'm just too lazy. All right, my garage just got a lot freaking smaller. My garage is too small for what I'm doing and I just keep doing it and whatever, we're gonna get it done. So today, I got the cab off, which wasn't too bad. And then I cleaned up the frame. So from where the frame sits now, I need to cut it up 17 inches from the floor, which is right there. It's about 1.5 inches or a little bit more, which still leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4 inches. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get 2 3-foot 2x4 square tubing, and I'm gonna weld it in across there, chop the bottom off, and then weld it in on the bottom, and then do some plates on the sides, make it nice and strong, and then my frame will be cut. I can put the body back on and lay rockers without having to cut up my floor of my truck. I made a decision on what tires I'm gonna get, and I'm gonna get some old school Kragers. And the tire size I'm looking at is about the same height as the wheels I'm gonna put on it at first, which are the Mustang wheels. So I can use those as a reference to see how low I need to get in order to Z the frame. As it sits right now, it's already 1 inch too low. So it's gonna need to go at least 1 inch up, but I'm assuming it'll probably be a little more than that. But we're gonna see what happens with that once we get to that point, and that's not too far off. I cut out the brackets for the beam because those were sitting really low and I don't need them. My body mounts are just above that 17-inch mark right there. So I don't need to modify the body mounts at all. And that's really freaking cool. I'm just waiting for Scotts Hotrods to get back to me about the notches for my tie rods. If I air out, those hit before the bag would be at full compression. And That is stupid. Super stupid. As soon as they do that, I'll go forward with cutting those out. And then the only thing left with the front will be the Z and the frame. So hopefully next weekend I can have these 2x4 square tubing in order to weld and cut in this so I can get the body back on as soon as possible, because that is taking up any leftover space I had in my garage. And I still got to get all this stuff in there. I don't want to leave my motorcycle out anymore because now I got 3 cars I need to park and a motorcycle just be in the way, and I think I can fit that in over here for now. I'm really happy with my decision to go ahead and take the cab off so that I can cut the frame up in order to lay rockers right away, and so that I can Z the front rather than waiting till later to do it, because then I just have to go do it again and I wouldn't be happy with it until I did. So now, do it right the first time, and we're gonna get this shit done and it's gonna look amazing and I can't freaking wait. This truck's gonna start going places pretty soon, so make sure that you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and come back for more, because this thing's coming along pretty nice. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. I don't know about what, just say hi, I don't care, I don't give a f. Peace out.